Question about the FDA. Can the FDA regulate my herbs? And I've heard about GMP, but what is that? Honestly, the best person to answer that would be my wife, Suchil, who teaches this subject and is part of our medicine making curriculum, our medicine making program as well. So I'll let her answer. Over to you, Suchil.
Hey everybody, my name is Suchil Coffman. I'm Sam's wife and I'm also the founder of the Apothecaries program that we run through our school where we teach herbal medicine making, and one of the topics we teach about is GMP. GMP is probably the least favorite thing that herbalists have to deal with. It is an FDA regulatory system of making sure that you are accountable for what is in your products and how you make them, where you make them, are they safe? Are you fully disclosing everything that needs to be in both your labels, the processes, and the paperwork so that if someone has a problem with your products after they go out into the world, that you can have a paper trail that shows everything from where you purchased the herbs to the process you used. So a lot of herbalists don't like this step of this because they feel like it's really stepping on the toes of making medicine in the process that is very grassroots. However, I like to think of it as a way of keeping yourself accountable for good medicine making practices. And also, it really helps to be able to go back when you found a formulation that you really like and you want to make it again, that you can go back and recreate that exactly the way you did before. So, how does this impact herbalists? It is kind of like doing taxes, it is not going to go away. It's not a fad, it's here to stay. So if you're making herbs and you're selling herbs, or you're even putting them out into the public where other people can use or consume them, then GMP is something that you need to learn about and not to let it distract you or be something that hinders you, but rather make it to be something that helps you. So that's what I think about GMP. Yeah, it's tedious. Yeah, it takes a lot of time sometimes to do, but ultimately you can use it as a tool to make your apothecary run better and to be a better herbal medicine maker.